Assalamualaikum, my name is Aida Amira binti Azman. In this presentation, I will explain the introduction for this project. So in this project, we are performing a process design of a skateboard to analyze the simulation by using SolidWorks. Skateboarding is a sport where rider balance on a skateboard with rollers attached at the bottom. The deck, trucks, and wheels are the three main components for the skateboard. The deck is for rider to stand, and truck is to connect the wheels with the deck and provide mobility. There is three objectives for this project, which is first is to perform a design process of a skateboard by using SolidWorks. Second is to create a simulation and analyze the result of the skateboard design by using FEA in SolidWorks. Third is to measure the maximum value of stress the skateboard can withstand. So in this slide, I will explain about the scope for this project. So for this first one is the selected industry for this project is sport. So the second one, we are using SolidWorks 2021 Premium software for this project to perform the design process of a skateboard. So the third one is the data of the simulation in this project are based on this real life situation of skateboarding sport. So next is the dimension of the skateboard deck drawing are 12 mm for the height, 191 mm for the length, and 520 mm for the width. So in this project, we are only focusing on the load applied on the deck of the skateboard, which is 1,329 Newton.
Hi, today I'm going to explain the result of our MED project. So first of all, I'm going to talk about how this project works on the methodology itself. And first, we include multiple try and error simulation. The model can't be meshed together as it will fail. The solution to this would be the meshing only the bar and middle of it, trial simulating the real life counterpart. So we are using the simulation of finite element indices FEA of SolidWorks 2021, and for the process we will explain it in the next slide. So first of all, we are going to set it as a nylon in the plastic section. So this is to apply the material itself to create a real life simulation of it to validate its FEA simulation results. So for the next one, we are going to apply the fixture. This is to simulate the roller. As you know, for the fixture itself are immovable, but for the skateboard, we know that it will move in the direction one or in freely in plane X. So we are using the roller and slider, which we use in a direction, so it doesn't like move in a y-axis or z-axis. It only move in X. So for the next one, we are going to apply the load. And the load itself was applied was 1,329 Newton. This was an egg of the load that the user used. So after we created all of that as meshing and apply it, as meshing will be the next process after applying the fixtures and the load. So we are going to set by default, which is not fine or not coarse, before running the simulation. So this is the result that we have obtained. As you see, the first picture up on the top left of the picture was a stress result, and for the top right was a displacement result, and the bottom left was the strain. Thus, the last one will be the factor of safetyness.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Aini binti Wonga. I will explain about discussion. Okay. At first, the simulation result shows there is no unexpected problem occur. However, the simulation result show the mesh is set to default before the simulation is running. Okay. For this simulation procedure, consists 5 steps, which is the first one is applying the material. Second one, fix geometry. And third one, apply load, which is force. And last, mesh and running the simulation. Okay, data of this simulation consists stress, displacement, and factor of safety. Okay, the design and topic selection for this project is based on discussion, which is all members decided that the scope of this topic is sport, which is we choose skateboard, and the measurement for the skateboard is based on standard skateboard with the dimension which is 12 millimeter in height, 191 millimeter in length, and last 520 millimeter in weight. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Razi. My matrix number is CN190036. So I will continue about discussion of this project. The material that we choose for skateboard plan is nylon because it is long-lasting and affordable material to produce. Based on the simulation that we get, when the force 1329 Newton apply, the maximum of the 1 meter stress is 15320.598 Newton per meter square. And the maximum of displacement is 0.0006913 mm, and the maximum of strain is 0.00012, and factor of safety is 0.009067. Next, we go to the conclusion.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zuleika. So next, we go through the conclusion. Throughout the course of this project, we had been able to accomplish the main goals. We had successfully utilized the SolidWorks software to design a product used in the sport industries in order to complete the course learning outcomes. We were able to create a skateboard and construct it in precisely in the same proportion as the sketch design. Based on the material and the construction of the skateboard that we had created, the project value for stress, strain, displacement, and factor of safety can be determined. To make an object or structure rigid and safe to be used for a longer amount of time, it is vital to study the results from the object or structure. That's all from our group. Thank you.